training in excavate.
James Mushero rukora n'ekitongole ky'amajute kya Petroleum Authority of Uganda nagira ngo miliyoni 30 sente za America zikozesibwe kampani ziri mu kutimba amajuta okutendeka abantu mutwaro gumwe n'enkumina emyoga etari emwe n'emwe.
The Petroleum Authority, from the time it was put in place, its emphasis has been put on capacity building, and we've had tremendous success. To date, I can assure you that over 14,000 people have been trained in technical skills in oil and gas sector, and the majority are from Bunyoro Kingdom and the Albertine Graben.
Mushere nagira ngo amani minji bakagataha abantu abarukurwo muri Bunyoro ahubwo kwenda ngo baganyurwe umuco bwiga ecyajumbirwa mu cyanga cyabo.
We have over 18,000 people directly employed by the sector, and of course over 79 indirectly employed, and 89% of those, 89 to 90%, it keeps fluctuating, are Ugandans.
Okumanya ebi nubwo abatendekirwe kuvuga ibimotoka ebihango babiri bakasubwa za certificates zabo bwa nyuma ya sino ku Uganda okubatendeka.
Baitite nkabunyoro tukugamba twakubazokera umugisa ube migisa yemirimo babanze batumule abana bayita abahanwa ababunyoro ukube mirungi ube bibyone byarugoma gite bikutandikira hari itu nabo iki kikuru muno
bamwe batendekirwe basimira entebe kanseji.
As you move forward, we carry your lessons, your encouragement, and your belief in us. Thank you once again for being part of our journey.
Uganda neija kushashura sente zone zirije kwezi nusubwo mu kutendeka abantu emyoga amajuta gatandika kutimbwa. Amakuraga gashakwa Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.